The use of disinfectants and/or unauthorized chemicals can do permanent damage to your genuine and synthetic dress covers. Always follow directions on labels and manufacturers' recommendations. Most textile manufacturers publish cleaning and maintenance instructions for their products and should be followed to avoid damage and potential warranty issues. Here are a few common chemical types that can cause permanent damage to your leather dress covers. Also, some products may not appear to cause damage initially to leather surface, but in time will lead to discoloration, visible change on gloss, and ultimately color transfer and permanent damage. Leather is comprised of a series of layers of pigments and resins to give leather its deep color, gloss level, look, and feel. These layers are sprayed onto the cowhide and allowed to dry and cure to properly finish leather. Lastly, a protective layer of top coat is applied to offer protection and aesthetics to the leather surface. The use of disinfectants and/or unauthorized chemicals can do permanent damage to this top coat, leaving your leather largely unprotected. Repairing leather dress covers can be accomplished at an FAA EASA repair station, such as Perrone Aerospace's facility located in Fultonville, New York. This repair process can restore the finish system of the genuine leather and help to minimize premature wear going forward. Enhanced top coat systems can be applied for added durability. It is important to realize and understand that the use of disinfectants and/or unauthorized chemicals may also have an adverse effect on the flammability rating of your dress covers, as per 14 CFR 25.853A 12-second vertical burn testing. If you have any questions regarding the cleaning of your dress covers or services offered by Perrone's Repair Station, please do not hesitate to reach out to Kevin Shea, Vice President of Sales, Americas.